Hey, we're actually on our way to an auction. Never took a left. Oh, this cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Yeah, so we are back in East Palestine, Ohio, going to our favorite auction. We actually stopped somewhere in the West Virginia, Ohio area, and we actually already got some stuff because I won some stuff on an online auction. So we're almost to this auction. We're gonna try to film while we're in there on the preview, and yeah, see what we get. What?
Those lures?
Oh, God. So, oh, it's a beanie baby. You can retire.
It's a bean.
So much for you, Janice.
This carnival wow fast train.
Oh, yeah. What's that? What's an espresso maker? No, it's a lemonade maker. I don't know what that is. Oh, pens. Love pens. I bet they'll do this whole tray by itself. Oh yeah, these.
Yeah, I know. They have some of those at Smith that I'm winning right now.
The whole boxing magazine?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to probably buy those.
These chips.
Okay.
The dentist. Oh god, see what he makes.
My Little Pony box. Oh dear, somebody really colored that one. Oh yeah, Last Action Hero, Fantastic Four.
Oh look, there's Terminator.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to do action figures.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, look. These old Flash ones. Yes. I bet that one's worth something.
Oh, that is too.
Those are models.
Oh my god, look at that cat cookie jar.
Oh, these have cars in them. These have cars in them.
Yeah, just place it. Cabinet, there you go. You got that little cabinet right there, put your entertainment in. What do you say? What do you give it, how much for it there? What are the 10, 10, gotta get 10, what are the 10, gotta get 10, 10, 5. 5 is on the 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 bucks here and 9. What are the 9, gotta get 10, 10, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 15. 15 now, what a bit of 15, 12, 15, what a bit of 15 quarters, gonna get 15, 15, 17, 50, 17, 50, what a bit 20, 5, 50, 22, 55, 25, 7, 57, 50 here, 27, 50 now, so $25, fire 47, fire 47.
All right, we're back from that auction, and yeah, we did pretty good. We went and picked up some things from an online auction before that, so a few of these things are actually from that. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Not bad. You know how we like the vintage toys. So we'll start over here with the stuff that we got at the auction that I won online. First thing, we won these. These are Colorcraft. What are they? Shatterproof. It looks like it says shattenproof, but they're shatterproof glasses. These are probably a bolo for you guys. We've seen cases like this with the box selling for $80 to $100. The box by itself I've seen selling for $25, and we got pictures too. So
They have like some weird coating on the outside.
yeah, they're almost plastic feeling.
It's like, no, it's like, oh, look, this one's a little, one's a little messed up.
That's okay.
It's like some kind of, I don't know
It's
what.
very weird, but apparently they are sought after, so we're hoping for big things with that.
I might separate them out.
Back there is a Macintosh computer, or Apple computer. It's a 2013 model. I paid $30 for it, believe it or not, with the keyboard and the mouse and the power cord. So supposedly it works. They said they tested all of them beforehand, so supposedly it works. Probably worth about $100, $125, maybe $150 on a good day. And then the other thing we got is this duck stuff right here. Duck stuff. We got these little, I don't know, what would you call these? Decorative plates or something?
Yeah, I think they hang on the wall. They're Canadian geese.
Oh, okay. And then we got these two little duck figurines here. This, whatever that is. Plate. And then these two little...
I don't know if they're Dutch.
They're made in Japan.
I know, but I mean, they look like little Dutch, like the outfits of Dutch.
So that's what we got from the online auction. Now to the live auction. First thing we got is here. This book... Northern American Birds.
I really wanted that. I didn't look it up.
Sarah wanted it, so she bought it. And it came with this, which we like. This is old military memorabilia. There's the Army, Navy needle book. What's in there? Oh, it's a sewing kit. Mm-hmm. And there's some more of those Centivos in here. There's some military pictures, all kinds of random stuff. So we like that stuff. And then Sarah got another mushroom jar.
You know my obsession.
You know how we love the mushroom jars. And then she got this one back here, the Cookie Muncher. And then this cat playing tennis.
Yeah, it's the Cocoa Dally cookie jars. They're worth like between probably like $25 and like $40 a piece.
Yeah.
And then we paid like $7 for those.
Yeah, so cookie jars. We like the cookie jars. And then, now on to the toys, which is the reason we went there. At this Double Dragon motorcycle here, which is awesome. That's worth what, like between?
I have no idea. I mean, it's like at least worth 30.
Yeah.
The guy's like, that was a good buy. I'm like, I know, that's why I bought it.
And then we got this Ultraman, like little jet fighter. Does it come with Ultraman? No. Well, maybe it does. Yeah, it does. It does.
I don't
come with a
know.
little,
That one's
little
supposed
fighter.
to be pretty valuable. Yeah.
We got a Johnny Quest action figure. These are all toys from the 90s, still new in the box. Flintstone, this one came with something not worth a lot. It's worth like $5 or $6, but it came with another toy. I think it came with the Johnny Quest. So these two were together. And then we got the Flash right here. Again from the 90s. Yeah, 1990 is right there. And then we got some Star Trek Micro Machines. These are worth decent money. We didn't pay much for any of these. We paid tops $8 for most of these. So more Star Trek Micro Machines. Then we got Last Action Hero. This is the villain in Last Action Hero with the red eye. These are pretty cool. These are worth about $20, $25 as well. And then we got another Last Action Hero. This is Skull Attack Jack. So that's Arnie right there in his Skull Attack uniform and all his toys right there. We got another Flash action figure, running arm movement. Oh, sweet. Then we got the Riddler.
The Riddler.
Riddles and Clues, the Riddler action figure. And we got Terminator 2 Future War figure. There's Arnie again. I guess he's got two heads. He can be either Arnie with the machine showing through or regular Arnie. And all his, what's that? Is that like an arm? I don't know what that is. Oh. Anyway, moving on. We got a Predator action figure, Lava Planet Predator with blazing rocket launcher. Sweet. And we got these. What works? These are something we do not know anything about. But, they seem to be worth some money. So we bought them. We did look them all up. So there's this one. And then there's this scary guy right here. There we go. And that's it. That's the haul for today. We did pretty good. Pretty happy with it. We went with the intention of buying toys like this because we needed some new stuff and some different stuff in our store. So that's what we did. And yeah, it wasn't bad. We did pretty well, and we're happy with it. So, and that's about it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So I'd really appreciate it if you just click the subscribe button for me. That would really help out the channel. And that's about it. Until next time, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!